Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I want to try to answer two questions on one video. This gentleman sent me this file, and he's making bricks, and ironically, I just made a brick video earlier this week. He's thinking he's going to have to fill in all these bricks all the way around. Well, that's not necessarily true. So let's see how big our nudge factor is. It's on 14. That's one of his questions, and I'm going to show that in just a second. We're going to control G to group that together. And then if we control D to make a duplicate, there's his problem in just a second. When he rotates this around, it becomes off. As you can see, that is because he's had to convert some of these lines to an outline to be able to smart fill them in. So let's just nudge that out of the way. I think I've still got a duplicate. So Control D and make a duplicate. Now let's use the indexing lines as the center. We're going left to right, so we have to go -2. That didn't work. You know what, I didn't delete. So sometimes if you have a duplicate, it just won't do it. So now we only have one, so Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on your item and move it to the center and rotate it at -2. And then Control D all the way around. And voila, you have bricks on an arch. Now, let's just make them black, because then once they're smart filled, you can do anything you want to with it. Let's fill it in with yellow. Put that to the back of the page. It'll kind of stand out so you can see what's going on. So now you have individual bricks that look pretty cool on an archway. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.